In a small village, which was situated on the edge of a dense forest, there lived 4 friends, Anu, Ravi, Meera and Chotu. These 4 friends always play together, laugh and plan new adventures. Villagers often told scary stories about the forest, but for these 4 friends, the forest was a mysterious world, full of adventure. One day, the oldest man in the village, Baba Bhairavnath, showed the children an old book. There was a map in that book that pointed to an ancient treasure hidden in the middle of the forest. Baba told that this treasure is hidden somewhere in the forest for centuries, but the way to get it is full of dangers. Is it true, Baba? Anu asked excitedly. Yes, my child, Baba said with a smile, but it will take courage, intelligence and friendship to reach the treasure. That's how our Bachcho Ki Kahani started. The 4 friends decide that they will go to the forest to find this treasure. The next morning, before sunrise, they set out for the forest with bread, a bottle of water and a torch in their small bags. The map was old and tattered, but there were some marks and signs that showed the way. There was a strange chill in the air as we stepped into the forest. The trees were so dense that the sunlight could hardly reach the ground. Ravi, who was the youngest but the most mischievous, said, "This jungle is so magical. What do you know? There are ghosts here." Meera, teasing him, said, "Hey, भूत-वूत कुछ नहीं होता, बस अपनी बच्चों की कहानी को और सक्सना है बनेहा है." The first clue pointed to a huge banyan tree on the map. The 4 friends reached that tree, which was so big that its roots looked like the walls of a fort. Under the tree was an old stone with some ancient letters written on it. Anu, who was fast in reading, tried to read the letters. It is written, "Choose the path of courage, not fear." The mysterious treasure of the jungle, the mysterious treasure of the jungle 3. Just then, a deep hole appeared between the roots of the tree. Chotu excitedly tried to look into it, but suddenly there was a loud sound, as if something heavy had fallen on the ground. The friends were afraid, but Anu said, "Hamen darna nahi hai. This is the first test of our children's story." They went down into the pit. Inside was a long, dark tunnel. In the torchlight there were pictures glowing on the walls, pictures of magical animals, flying birds, and a golden treasure. At the end of the tunnel was a big door, on which a riddle was written, "I am the one who shines in the night, hides in the day. The map is incomplete without me. Find me, then the treasure is complete." The 4 friends fell in thought. What can it be? Meera said. Ravi suddenly shouted, "A star. This is a star. It shines in the night, it hides in the day." Everyone listened to him and found a star-shaped hole on the door. Chotu took out of his pocket a shining stone, which he had found on the way. He fit it in the hole, and the door opened. Behind the door was a huge cave, in the middle of which a golden chest was shining. Friends' eyes lit up. But as they approached the ark, there was a sudden commotion in the cave. Strange shadows started rising from the walls. These shadows looked like magical creatures guarding the treasure. "What is this?" Chotu said. "Keep calm," said Anu. Then a shadow took human form and said, "You have set the path to this point, but the treasure can only be taken by those who have a true heart." He asked a question, "Tum khajane ka kya karoge?" The 4 friends looked at each other. Meera said, "We will use this treasure for the villagers. We will build schools, we will help the poor." Other friends also agreed. The shadow smiled and disappeared. The box opened by itself. Inside were gold and silver coins, diamonds and an ancient book. It was written in the book that the real treasure is friendship and courage. The four friends brought the treasure to the village and handed it over to Baba Bhairvanath. A school was built in the village, a playground was built for the children, and everyone became happy. From this children's story, Bachcho Ki Kahani, we learn that any difficult path can be made easy with courage, friendship, and truth. Even today, the four friends narrate the story of their exciting journey in the village, and the children are thrilled to hear their children's story, Bachcho Ki Kahani.